Hello, hello. My name is Laura and I am from the Queen of Mirth. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be making several things for my journals with one 8.5 by 11 inch masterboard, which is here. These will be a 4 by 6 inch journal card, a large tag, a library pocket, belly band, and 2 slant corner pockets. So you can see that I get a lot of mileage from my one masterboard. Thank you for joining me today, and let's get started. So I'm making 6 items with this masterboard. I made this masterboard on a previous video, and now today is the day to do something with it. I'm quite happy with the whole thing. Now, what I do, this masterboard is just basically collage scraps over top of a piece of white cardstock. So what I do is I first of all turn the thing upside down, and I've already measured. This is 6 inches, this is 4 inches, because that's the only one that I need an absolute definite measurement for. That's my journaling card. That's my favorite size for journal cards. And they seem to fit in all of my journals because my journals are more than 4 inches wide. Typically they're 5 inches, or maybe just slightly more. Anyway, here's my pencil. I need my pencil and I need my ruler. Okay, so here we have the tag and the, and I'll show you how I did the tag, just so you know. I just took a tag like this and I traced it around like that. So now I'm going to set up the, and I want straight lines for this, and I don't really need to use my my paper cutter. This is fine. So this will be my corner pockets, 2 of them. So I just do this, and then I make a line on the diagonal, and then this will be my library pocket, and then my belly band will be here. And actually, this is a very good use of space. The only leftover will be this part right here. And I'll use it as a scrap for something. Okay, here we go. Time to cut it out. I really like doing this because I get instant results, or almost instant results, that are good. And it's so much fun to have a whole variety of things ready for my journals. I probably won't use all of these in the same journal because, you know, it's a little repetitive, but I'll definitely use them. And one of the fun things about masterboards is you don't really know what it's going to look like till you turn it over and take a look. See, these are the corner pockets. I'm so happy. And then this is my 4 by 6 inch journaling card, and you can journal on this side, and this is really nice. And then this is my corner, this is my library pocket, and I might make 2 out of it actually, because this is my newest baby junk journal, so yeah, I think so. It's going to maybe need to be a little bit smaller. No, see, it would fit here on this one, but I think I can make 2 out of it. So this is making even more stuff. Yay. So it was this way. And certainly I don't have to cut exactly in half or anything like that. I don't think I need my ruler anymore. Yeah, see, one is bigger than the other, but I really don't think it matters at all. So there's one. I think I'll cut it down a little bit here too. And here's the other. And I'm going to definitely save these little pieces because they'll be so useful. And now I can cut out my belly band, which I believe I will cut down a bit too. And here, my tag. So here's my tag. Nice, isn't it? Now I could always, if I want to, put a fussy cut something or other here, if I want to. But I like it the way it is as well. So I'm just going to leave it for now. I'm just showing you, how much I can get out of one 8.5 by 11 inch masterboard paper, yeah. So this is also a leftover piece, which will be quite useful at some point. Okay, so here we have it. Nice little belly band. And it could go this way. And I could have left it longer and did it this way, but this is fine. So here we go. The next thing, or the last thing I'm going to do with these, is I'm going to distress the edges, which will make them kind of come together. Okay, now I have distressed the edges of all of them, and I will show you how they will look in my junk journal. Now this journal, I believe, doesn't really matter which way it goes now because nothing is affixed. Now what I want to do, this is lined paper, but it's not very strong, so I don't think that I want to put a much stronger element onto these pages. So I'm going to look for something in here that is a little bit more sturdy. Let's see. I guess I just have this one. Like I say, this is my newest baby, so it's not really, it's not even hardly started. I mean, it's hardly started. See, now this will go like that. So I'm going to use the Uhu glue stick, which is very, very good, actually. Been using it for many years when I worked in an office. This is what I would buy. And I noticed that a lot of people on YouTube are using it and they swear by it. And I've never had a problem. Way back in the day, I used it for some paper projects that they're still fine. The glue has remained intact. So here, I'm going to just put this one here like this. And as you can see, it will hold things like that. Very nice. And then maybe I'll put, just in the interests of symmetry, I'll put the other one here. No, I guess I won't, because I don't like, okay, I'll tell you why I'm not going to put it here. Because I don't like having the wide angle facing out. I prefer it to face the spine. And here it's just, I mean, I could cut it, I suppose. But the reason for that is that sometimes when things are in here, if it's facing out, it will, you know, bend down like that. And it could conceivably fall out of the book, but it also, you know, the corners of it will get wrecked and everything. And it might be something that I don't want that to happen to. So in the interests of all of that, I always face this long angle toward the spine. And then it's not going to cause a problem. But I did say in the interests of symmetry, did I not? So how about this? We'll just snip it. And then I can have it like this. Okay. So I'm gluing actually this end that I cut, and the bottom, and the side. And everything will be good. And I'm going to have a very nice slant corner pocket right here. Yeah, as I work on this journal, I'll be making more videos, so you'll be able to see the progression. Okay, now I have another journal that I'm working on. This one is pretty much ready to do the cover and to put together. This ribbon is going to be for the cover, and I'm going to do that and make the cover in my next video. So if you're interested in that, you might want to watch it. It'll be the very next one that I do after this one. So, but let's put in a library pocket in this guy. That's the back. I mean, this is part of the cover. Everything in there. So I've done quite a bit of work in this one. And like I said, it's really ready to sew together. So this will go this way. Yeah. And this will be nice to hold things. So this is what this is going to look like in here. And once again, I'll show you. There, see? Perfect. And maybe I'll leave the journaling card in here too. See, it can go in, I like to have the journaling cards in the corner pockets actually, so I think I'll put it in this one, the first one I had, because see, I can stick it like that, or it can go in the back one. Like so. It's really nice. And then the person can write on the back of it. But I'm not going to keep it in there now because I don't think that the glue is 1000% dry, and I don't want to pull, you know, to have this pull on it And also I don't want this to touch any glue that could have migrated into the middle there, and which I'll be able to deal with if it did. Now, what have I done here? I think I put my new one inside my old one. Did I do that? I think so. Here it is. So it's going to go to bed, and here. Now this is I'm going to put this in a different journal. This is a library pocket. This is a belly band. I guess I could maybe find a home for the belly band. Okay. It would look like this, but I don't want to put it in. It could go on this page, but like you can see, this is from some wrapping that something came in, and I just want to decide what I'm doing with this paper before I start putting the final things on it. So anyway, it could go. It will go like this, and then things can go in there, or I'll put it like this, more likely, and things can go in there, just to hold stuff, like, you know, like so. So anyway, I'll leave this here. And okay, here we are. And now the tag. The tag I'm going to put a hole in. And maybe put a little bit of lace along the bottom. This is self-stick. I'm going to make it so that the scalloped edge shows or comes below the actual tag for a very nice effect. And then I just snip it. There. And I'll put some kind of a ribbon or something through here, and it'll be finished. So there you have it. Those are the things that I've made with my 11.5 by 8.5, or sorry, by my 8.5 by 11 inch masterboard. I made 7 items actually. I made a 4x6 journal card, a large tag, 2 library pockets, a belly band, and 2 corner slant pockets. Thank you so much for being with me on this little journey today. And I hope that you make a masterboard if you haven't already. And if you have, this maybe give you some idea of how to really use it without wasting very much paper at all. In fact, you don't waste any, because these are the scraps, and they're all very useful in collage projects of all sorts, many different kinds. Once again, I want to thank you for being with me. I really appreciate it. Do subscribe to my channel and press the like button if you like this video. And if you have any questions, or if you want to know something, anything, just leave a comment in the box below. Take good care of yourselves, and come back and see me soon. Bye.